Hello, explorations. It's a little weird to be videotaping myself, but this is 2020, so we're just going to go with it. Um, I want to take some time today to explain the assignment that you have coming up. This is a comparing mamas activity for Little Fires Everywhere. This is a project grade, so also you need to make sure that you are putting forth your best effort in this because this is going to end up being a big deal. Actually, we're going to do a couple little projects over the next couple weeks, so this is one of them. So make sure that if you do have questions after you finish watching this video of me explaining it, that you pop into the open Zoom that I have every weekday from 11 to noon, and the link is on Schoology. I'll show you. The link is on Schoology right here, Zoom meeting invite. You should just be able to click this. I don't think it should ask you for a passcode or anything, but the passcode and everything is in the invite as well, so you could look at that. So every day, first of all, you need to make sure that you're checking over here and that you click on the calendar for each day to tell you what it is that you need to be doing. So for example, on Tuesday 11/17, it says that you should be watching this short video and then you should begin the Comparing Mamas activity, which is not due until Thursday at midnight because this is going to take you a little bit of time. I would estimate that it would take you like 45 minutes, but I wanted to give you a few days to get that done. So today, Tuesday, and tomorrow, Wednesday, that's the only thing that you're going to have to work on is this activity, okay? So you'll want to come over here and click the Comparing Mamas activity. And it says the directions are to download the Word document, complete the document, and submit it by this Thursday at midnight. Again, it's a project grade. Make sure you do a good job, and if you have questions, pop into the Zoom. All right, so you're just going to open up this document, and you're going to want to click Enable Editing up here. Make sure that you type your name, and then basically what you're doing for this is each character, each mother from Little Fires Everywhere has her own box, and you're going to need to fill out the box for each character. Then you are going to complete the reflection at the bottom. So first of all, like here's Elena Richardson. I put a picture for every mom so that you know who's who if you forget. Just you're going to have to go through and make sure that you know these questions or fill these questions out. I did the same for Mia Warren and for BB Chow. And then there's just some different questions in the box for you. You just click the box here and you just type your answer, okay? So for every one of those, you're gonna type your answers to each of those. Then on this page, it says rank the moms. The best mom in the story should be number 1, and the worst mom is number 4. So like if you think the best mom is BB Chow, you're gonna just write BB Chow in the box, and then you're gonna come to number 2, and you're gonna write the next mom that you think is the best mom all the way. So number 1 is the best, number 4 is the worst mom. And then you're going to answer this question. It says, why did you rank the mom that you chose as number 1? And you need to explain your answer below in detail. You need to write at least 6 sentences for full credit, okay? So you're going to explain why you think this mom is the best mom. Give me examples. Talk about some different things, like maybe some parenting techniques that she had, some decisions that she made, the way she showed love to her kids. There's all sorts of different things that you could say to answer this question, but you just need to make sure that you have 6 full sentences so that you get full credit, okay? When you're finished, the way that you submit this, obviously you just come up to File, Save As, and then usually I just save things to like my desktop. So if you open up your desktop folder, or you could go to Browse and then come up to Desktop, and then you could save it as whatever you want, like Explorations or Comparing Mamas, and then just press Save. I'm not going to because I already did it. But then once you're done, if you do save it to your desktop, it's going to just show up right here. And then you would go to Schoology, and you would go to over here. Your screen looks a little bit different than mine, but over here there should be a Submit button. So you just click Submit, and then drag and drop that file from your desktop into that where it says submit, and you're good. Okay, so just make sure that you do that before Thursday at midnight to get full credit. And again, if you have questions, just make sure that you pop into the Zoom that we have every day from 11 to noon. You can ask me any questions, and I will give you answers to that. Okay? All right. Well, I think that's all I needed for today. So have a good day. See you guys soon.